chaps here have had a repair somewhere, and as they've had this repair, they've stitched something on, a midsole on or something. As they've machined them, it looks like they've caught the welt stitching, and the welt stitching has come loose. I've had a really good tug on these, and they won't come off, but the welt stitching is showing. Nothing we can do that really is economical on them. You know, it happens sometimes, but the customer still loves them, and they're still staying together, so why not? So what I'm going to do is take our syringe here that I've just been into the glue pot, sucked it up. We buy these, I don't know, 100 at a time, and we get them for next to nothing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to inject glue down into this gap here. Look, get that right down there, in between every stitch, and leave it to set. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Leave it to set, just to make them a little bit more waterproof and hold them together a little bit longer. That glue will soak in, dry up, lock around the stitching, so if one of those stitches breaks, they won't completely come undone. Bit of a bodge, but it's about all you can do without doing a very expensive strip down and rebuild, which we would do, but these are welted, so it would mean re-welting them, and we don't like re-welting. Some people do, not for us, I'm afraid. Okay,